Today we are going to talk about pocket doors. Now, pocket doors are not a new invention. They've been there since a couple of centuries, but they are seeing a renaissance in the last 2 or 3 years. In the earlier days, if you remember, we had these pocket doors enclosing these ugly looking televisions. So there were television cabinets, and you had the cabinet with 2 doors. You opened the doors, slid the doors in the cabinet, and you could watch your television. Now, the changing times, you have a lot of urban living, you have a lot of studio apartments, you have the kitchen which is a part of the living, or you also have offices where there's a big office space where a pantry kitchen is a part of it. Now, you would like to close these pantry units or the studio kitchen or your kitchen in your living room when it is not in use. Another application for pocket doors is also in the wardrobes, where you would like to have a walk-in wardrobe or a closet where you can use these pocket doors. One more application is where you would like to have a room where it's going to house your installation wires, and you need to access that area, so you would like to have it closed with a pocket and only access it when you would like to need it. I'm going to show you here behind me one such pocket system. It's a basic version. We have a couple of them in our range. This one is a basic version and it works on a rack and pinion system. Now, this is almost a 9-feet door, and you have different depths of the pockets. So it can be a 600 millimeters or a 650 millimeters. It could also be a short pocket, depends on what the usage is going to be. So here we have a standard pocket of around 550 depth. We have a slide which is connected with a rack and pinion system, and we have a door which is going to now slide into the pocket. So I have made this functional fitting, which is very difficult to otherwise explain, visible to you, and I will open the door now and you will see what happens. So when I open the door, you have the possibility to push this door into the pocket. Now, when you do that, it has a stop, obviously, because there's at some given point there is a back, which would mean that this door, which is 600 millimeters, will not go in completely. It will leave around 150 to 200 millimeter of space in order for the user to open it back, because there would be a handle here, and then it would be easy for the consumer to again close the pocket. This is a small solution. It would take around 30 kilos of weight capacity for the system. If you have another or a heavier weight, then you can add another system out here and add it to the pinion. I hope you can now imagine how a pocket system works. Thank you for listening. Tariq Uttarkar.